Hello again, boys and girls. Today is a little bit later, Saturday, March 10, 2018, 11:36 in Dallas. Okay, great. So then, alright, so now I'll do this in person. How about, alright? So this is a L30, L30, just an L30. Okay, this is the one that's got the flashing light and the tweeters and all that. And it's complete, okay? Got a, who cares, alright? And here's a basket case, alright? This is also an L30K, alright? It's got the handle. It's got a complete antenna, alright? It's got the battery back, alright? And I took this woofer out to play it in a Nippon that I sold. Okay, so it's all complete. You just solder it back up, no problem. This one here is completely new in the box. It's the LBC 109. I'm not going to get it out. You buy it, you get it out. All right, works. Said this before. Not going to get this out. It's brand new in the box. Okay, and then we have a Lasonic L30K. This thing got a gold deal to it. Got a bent key, whatever. Let's flip it around, show you the back. There's the back. Okay. Then here's another L30K, but with blue. Okay. I don't know what the difference is there, but again, there's the back. And that one's got a complete antenna. This one's got a broken antenna. Okay. And then we have a, let's see here. We have an L30K, and it's new in the box. It's got the everything to it. Okay. It's got a good antenna. It's got the battery back. All that. All right. That's it. So they're all for sale. Okay. Hopefully I described them like that. I'll give you a real quick up close view with the camera. Okay, so just once again, here's a L30, okay, with whatever it's got, and it's got the battery back, yay, okay. Then we've got this basket case here, which is a L30K, like I just showed you, okay, and it's got the battery back, yay. And then there's a LPC 109, it's for sale. Brand new in the box. So is this. I made a video about that a while ago. And then we have this one here, which I said this is gold L30K, and a blue L30K, and then I don't even know what color this thing is. Let's whip it up again. What color is this one? This is who knows. Alright, there you go. So this is the updated version of all these that I have for sale, okay? As of today, I want them all gone. Buy them. Good day, bye-bye.